Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to make dynamic tab in PHP with MySQL by using Bootstrap framework. We have received many requests from my viewers to make video tutorial on create dynamic tab by using Bootstrap and PHP with MySQL database. We have already seen on many e-commerce website on which product are divided into different category, and based on that category it will display data on web page. So this concept we will use to learn this topic. First we have understand the table structure for this topic. Here we have testing one database in which we have two table with name like category and product. In category table there is two column like category ID and category name. Here category ID is a primary key. In this table we have inserted three category like electronics and computers, home garden and tools and handmade. By using table data we will make dynamic tab. Now in product table there is four table column like product ID, category ID, product name and product image. In this table product ID is a primary key and category ID is foreign key to category table. In this table we have already inserted some product details. We will use this table data from display content under different table according to category. So this is our table structure. Now we have moved to learn this topic. This is my index page, and on this page we have used query JavaScript library and Bootstrap framework. Here we will use Bootstrap to make dynamic tabs, so we have used Bootstrap framework. We have store product image into this images folder. We will fetch product image from this images folder for display on web page. First we want to create simple tab by using Bootstrap, so here we have write unordered list tagged with attribute class is equal to nav and nav tabs. In Bootstrap tab are created by using this nav and nav tabs class. Under this we want make dynamic tab from data fetch from category table, so we have to move write PHP code, and in this first we have make database connection, so we have write $connect variable is equal to Mysql connect function with four argument like host name set to localhost, username set to root, password set to blank and database name set to testing1. After making database connection we have write $tab query variable is equal to select star from category table order by category ID in ascending order. This query will fetch category data from category table. Then after we want to execute this query, so we have write $tab result variable is equal to Mysql query function with argument like $connect variable and $tab query variable. This function will execute query and store result into this $tab result variable. Now we have write $tab menu variable is equal to blank. In this variable we will store dynamic HTML content for create tab. After this we have defined $count variable is equal to 0. We will increment this variable value by 1 on every loop interval. We will use this variable for find first tab. We have already get query result object, so we have write while loop with $row is equal to Mysql fetch array function with $table result argument. This function will convert query result object to array and store into $row variable. Under this while loop first we have write if statement with condition like $count variable value is equal 0. This condition will check if $count variable value is equal to 0, then it will execute if block of code. This condition is used for get first tab, and when page load then we can see the content of this first tab. Because in first interval of loop $count variable value is 0. So it will execute if block of code, and under this we have write $tab menu variable, and under this variable we have append HTML code like open and close list tagged with class name is equal to active. This class will identify it as the current page, and this tab content will be visible on web page. Under this list tag we have write anchor tag with attribute ref is equal to hashtag with dynamic table data like $row category a variable with data toggle variable is equal to tab on an anchor text we have write $row category name variable. Here we have add data toggle variable is equal to tab. This will make tabs toggleable, and here we have define unique id for every tab which is defined in ref tag. But suppose $count variable value will be increased and it will be greater than 0, then it will execute else block of code, and under this block we have write $tab menu variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code which we have simply copy from if block and paste here. But here we have removed this class is equal to active, because at the same time only one tab will be active and visible and other tab content will be invisible. Lastly we have write $count variable with increment operator, so on every interval value of this variable will be increased by 1. Now our HTML code for dynamic tab is ready, so we have go to unordered list tag and write echo statement with $tab menu. It will make dynamic tag from fetch data from category table. So we have saved this code and check output in browser. Friends, you can see that 3 tab on web page. Here we can see the first page content and other tab content is invisible, because first tab has active class. Now we want to load product data into particular tab according to their category. So we have go to index page, and below the unordered list tag we have create one division tag with attribute class is equal to tab content. Under this tag we will make dynamic tab content which can be accessible by unique id of anchor tag of list tag tab. After this we have go to PHP code, and here we have define $1 tab content variable is equal to blank value. In this variable we will append dynamic HTML code which will be fetched from product table. Then after we have go to while loop, and under if block we have write $tab content variable, and we have append HTML code like division tag with attribute that is equal to $row category id variable, and class is equal to tab pane class, fade class, in class and active class. Here we have used attributed for connect this division tag to tab anchor tag which we have defined above, and here in class and fade class will help it display page content on web page, and it is marked as active tab. Same we have go to else block of code, and here also we have write $tab content variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code simply copy from if block and paste here, but here we have removed this in class and fade class. It will help to hide content on web page. After defining division tag, now we want to fetch tab content from product table, so we have write $product query variable is equal to select star from product where category id is equal to $row category id variable. This query will fetch particular category data from product table. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $product result variable is equal to Mysql query function with 2 argument. In first argument we have write $connect variable which is database connection string, and in second argument we have write $product query variable. This function will execute query and store result into $product result variable. Again we have write while loop, and under this we have write $subrow variable is equal to Mysql fetch array function with $product result argument. This function will convert query result into array, and we can access them by using $row variable. Under while loop we have write $tab content variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code like division tag with attribute class is equal to column D3. It is Bootstrap grid system class. Under this tag we have write image tag with attribute source is equal to images folder name / dynamic image name get from table $sub-row product image variable with attribute class is equal to image responsive and image thumbnail. After defining image we want to display product name get from product table, so we have write header for tag and between this tag we have write $sub-row product name variable. It will display dynamic product name on web page. Lastly we want to close the division tag so we have write $tab content variable and in this we have append HTML code like close division tag. So our tab content code is ready. So we have go to division tag with class is equal to tab content and between this tag we have write echo statement with $tab content variable in which we have stored dynamic HTML code of tab content. So our code is ready so we have saved this code on checkout but in browser. Friends, you can see that there is 3 tab on web page and we can see product under first tab. Here for make tab we have fetched data from category table and product of particular tab has been fetched from product table. So when we have click on second tab, then we can see the product of home garden and tools category in first tab electronics and computers product has been invisible and we can see the product of second tab. When we have click on third tab, then we can see the product of handmade category. In all tab it display product of particular category. So this feature is very helpful. By using this feature you can display large number of data divided into different part, user can see which data he want to see and other data will be invisible. This type of feature is used in most of the e-commerce site. We can display large data and same, user has not go to next page for see the data. He can view on same page. So friends, this is our video tutorial on create dynamic tab in PHP by using Bootstrap tab. If you like this video tutorial, please share this video with your friends or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.